Hello, Education 555, and welcome to Trends and Issues in K-12 Education. My name is Josh Bauer, and I'll be your instructor for this course together as we look at what trends and issues are in our own country and across the world in education, and also focused on what are your beliefs and why do you believe those things when it comes to working with our kids. So let's look a bit at the course page as we get started. If you head to Faculty Contact, you'll see information about me, how to get a hold of me via email, even if you want to check my LinkedIn page, details about me here for you to check out. The course information is good for you to check out as well. The syllabus information, modules, description, learning outcomes. Make sure you check out the syllabus that's linked here. And I've also included lots of assignment exemplars that you'll be able to use for assignments coming up. I will reference those in several videos, so make sure that you are checking out these assignment exemplars too. So let's head to our content. Module 1, Personal Position Development. This week's essential question: what are your core beliefs? What do you believe to be true about education is what we're going to focus on this week. As we start with an introduction forum, make sure that you post to these questions. Your initial post is due by Wednesday at midnight, and two responses to two of your classmates by Sunday at midnight. Make sure you do that, please. The required reading for this week. There's a section from Aubrey Malfer's Being Leaders book that I would like you to check out. That links as a PDF. Please read the entire chapter. And then there are excerpts from Making a Difference, Christian Educators in Public Schools. This information here will share with you what to actually read. You don't have to read all these chapters, but read these pages from the chapters, please. Then there are additional resources here that I've included that'll be focused on personal mission statements. As you see, that we'll be working on that as well this week. All right, the first learning activity. Your school probably has a mission statement, vision, and a set of values, and they show up in brochures and that kind of thing. So, great teachers also stick to their mission, vision, and values, but what are yours? What are your mission? What's your mission? What's your vision? What are your values? You're going to create your own individual mission statement. Then you'll create your own vision statement, and then you'll create a creed that will include your values. Okay? Now, this is a super important assignment because this is what we will be referring back to for the rest of the course. When we look at different issues and trends and themes, you're going to be looking back on your mission, vision, and creed assignment to share why you believe what you believe. You'll be applying your mission statement, your vision, and your creed when you analyze upcoming topics. So this will list what your mission should be, what your vision, and what your creed. There's some questions here. Your creed should include information from 5 areas: worldview, planning and preparation, classroom environment, instruction, and professional responsibilities. So here's some examples. The assignment is due Saturday at midnight and should be posted, uploaded here and as a discussion response. Okay, so Saturday at midnight is when this is due. Remember to look at the assignment exemplars so you can see some example mission, vision, and creed assignments. That's back here in the course information. And down here are the assignment exemplars that you can look at for this assignment. So you're going to post this assignment by Saturday at midnight. This says Sunday, but it should be Saturday, so make sure you do that, because you're also going to post to your discussion your work. So basically you have one assignment this week: mission statement, vision, and creed. You post it here, and you also copy and paste it to the discussion. Okay? So then people will see each other's missions, vision, and creed, and then you should also respond to the work of 2 others. So post your assignment to the 1.1 by Saturday at midnight, then post the same mission, vision, and creed to here, and you're going to respond to 2 others by Sunday at midnight. Post it here by Saturday 2 for your post, and then respond to these 2 others by Sunday at midnight. Okay? All right, that is number 1, module number 1. What do you believe? Looking forward to seeing your mission, vision, and creeds, and we will talk to you soon.